Welcome to TechLipart channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to install font on Microsoft Word. So at first open up any browser. In my case I will open Chrome browser. After open the Chrome, just search for 1001font.com. So just type it. That's it. So just open a first link and that's it. Now here you can find so many font style and you can download any font as you like. Suppose if you want to download this blushy charm font, just click on download and you can see that will start downloading and the download is complete. Now just open up your download folder and you can see it's a zip file. So just extract the file, just select it and right click on mouse, then click on extract all, then just click on extract again. After that click on blushy charm and then click on install and the installation process is done. Now just close the window and open up your Microsoft Word, then open any document. Now just select your all the text and then click on font option. Now from here scroll down and find your font and you can see here the blushy charm font and it's installed successfully. So just click here and that's it. And that is how you can easily install font on Microsoft Word. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.